here we are, page 13. What a journey this has been so far. All right, so essentially right now, it's like we do it and it will tell me which one is correct. It says correct one is button 2, and then it tells me that it's just checking button 1, but it didn't tell me if it was correct or not. I mean, I know by looking, but the computer's not giving me that output. All right, so find a spot in your program that is between your existing console log statement and when you call set board. Add a simple if-else statement inside the function check correct. Okay, where's my check correct function? Check correct. Where is it? Here it is. All right, it wants an if statement. Okay. Oh, it has to be between these two. All right, good. So I'm in my check correct function between this one. Okay. What do they want me to put in here? Add a simple if-else statement inside the function. Check whether button 1 and random button are the same. Or button ID and random button are the same. Display a message to the console that they got right or wrong. Okay, this is easy then. So I need this else. So I'm going to check to see if they're right or wrong. So I'm going to go to math and get my equals. And it says if button ID equals, what was it, random button. So now we're just checking variables, rand button ID. And if it's true, I'm going to have the console log say correct. Or I'll say answer is correct. And if it's not true, so if the button I click is not the same as my proper button, I'm going to have it say wrong. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this works. I'm going to run it. All right, so that's correct one is button 4. If I click it, checking button 4, answer is correct. Now it gives me the next one. Correct one is button 4 again. What if I do incorrect? Wrong. Oh, cool. Correct one is button 3. Let's see. So, but there it is. So every time I click it, it's telling me wrong and then it's doing a quick reset. That's why it's saying the correct one is a different button. So if I click on the correct one, answer is correct. Now it's giving me a new one. Correct one is button 3. Clicked on it. Answer is correct. Correct one is button 1. There it is. I'm going to click on button 2. Wrong. All right. So now you can see we're getting to a point where we can really start finishing it up. That's what I was just doing. This is very similar. It might be useful to temporarily remove or comment out the call to set board so the board doesn't change every time. All right. So if I take out my set board out of, where is it? Ugh, so much coding now. If I take this one out for a moment, it'll help me test it a little bit better. So I can run it and be like, all right, correct one is button 1. Correct. Wrong. 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 Correct. Okay, that's good. So it's totally working. I'm going to make it set board again, right in there. All right, but I just did that to kind of check all of them and see if it was working right. All right, that's page 13. Bam.